Today we're diving into the GAMDIAS ATX mid-tower computer PC case, a sleek, feature-packed chassis designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts who crave both style and performance. With its tempered glass panel, vibrant ARGB lighting, and robust cooling support, this case promises to be a standout choice for anyone building or upgrading their rig. Let's break down what makes it special and whether it lives up to the hype. Right off the bat, the GAMDIAS ATX mid-tower impresses with its striking design. The tempered glass side panel not only showcases your components but also adds a premium feel. It comes pre-installed with 4 120mm ARGB PWM fans, which are a huge plus. They keep your system cool while bathing it in customizable RGB lighting. The case supports up to 6 120mm fans or a 3 60mm AIO radiator, making it a solid pick for high-performance builds. You've got room for GPUs up to 260mm and CPU coolers up to 160mm, ensuring compatibility with most high-end hardware. Cable management is a breeze thanks to the spacious interior and thoughtful routing options, which is always a win for builders. In real-world use, this case shines. The airflow is excellent, thanks to the included fans and the option to expand the cooling setup. The ARGB lighting is vibrant and syncs with most motherboard software, so you can easily match your system's aesthetic. The build quality feels sturdy, and the toolless design makes installation hassle-free. However, there are a few trade-offs. While the tempered glass looks fantastic, it's prone to fingerprints and requires careful handling. Also, the front panel's airflow could be slightly better. It's not a deal-breaker, but something to note if you're pushing your hardware to the limits. Compared to similar mid-tower cases like the NZXT H510 or the Corsair iQ4000X, the GAMDIAS holds its own. It offers more pre-installed fans than the NZXT and competes closely with the Corsair in terms of RGB customization. Where it falls short is in brand recognition. GAMDIAS isn't as well known as some competitors, but the value you get here is hard to ignore. To get the most out of this case, consider adding extra fans or an AIO for optimal cooling, especially if you're running high TDP components. Take advantage of the RGB software to unify your lighting scheme, and don't forget to use the cable management features to keep your build looking clean. Overall, the GAMDIAS ATX mid-tower is a fantastic choice for gamers and builders who want a balance of aesthetics, performance, and affordability. It's ideal for those who appreciate RGB flair and solid cooling without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a case that offers great value and a touch of style, this one's definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in, and happy